Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of HubSpot meeting data, unsure where it all goes after that initial booked notification pings? You're not alone. Many HubSpot users, especially those new to the platform, find themselves scratching their heads wondering, where exactly is all this valuable meeting information stored? It's a crucial question because understanding where your meeting data lives is the key to leveraging it effectively for sales, marketing, and reporting. Think about it. You've got meeting dates, times, attendees, associated contacts, deal stages, notes, a goldmine of insights. But if you can't find it, you can't use it. It's like having a treasure chest without the key. So, in this video, we're going to unlock that treasure chest and demystify the location of your HubSpot meeting data. We'll explore the different places where this information resides, how it's connected, and how you can access it to boost your business performance. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's paint a quick picture of the HubSpot ecosystem. HubSpot is a powerful platform, and its various tools are interconnected. Meeting data isn't isolated. It's woven into the fabric of your contacts, deals, and activities. This interconnectedness is what makes HubSpot so powerful, but it also means understanding where to look for meeting data requires a bit of exploration. The primary location for your HubSpot meeting data is within the contact record. Think about it. Every meeting is typically associated with at least one contact. When you log a meeting, whether it's scheduled through HubSpot's meeting tool or manually logged, it gets attached to that contact's timeline. This timeline becomes a chronological history of all interactions with that contact, including meetings, emails, calls, and more. It's your central hub for understanding the relationship with that individual. So, how do you find this meeting data within a contact record? It's pretty straightforward. Navigate to your HubSpot CRM and open any contact record. You'll see a section, often labeled Activity or Timeline, which displays all interactions. Here, you'll find your logged meetings, usually indicated by a calendar icon or a meeting-specific label. Clicking on a meeting entry will reveal the details, such as the date, time, attendees, any notes you've added, and any associated deals. Now, let's talk about associated deals. Meetings often revolve around deals, especially in sales-focused environments. HubSpot allows you to directly link meetings to specific deals, which is incredibly useful for tracking progress and understanding the context of your interactions. When you associate a meeting with a deal, the meeting information becomes visible within the deal record as well. This gives your sales team a comprehensive view of all activities related to that particular deal, all in one place. To find meeting data within a deal record, navigate to the deal itself. Similar to the contact record, you'll find an activity timeline or a section dedicated to interactions. Here, you'll see all logged meetings related to that deal. This connection between meetings and deals is crucial for sales reporting and understanding which meetings are driving your deal pipeline forward. Beyond contact and deal records, meeting data also plays a crucial role in reporting. HubSpot offers a variety of reporting tools that allow you to analyze your meeting data in aggregate. You can create reports to track the number of meetings booked, the average duration of meetings, the sources of your meetings, and much more. These reports can provide valuable insights into your sales and marketing effectiveness. Where does this reporting data come from? It pulls directly from the meeting data stored within the contact and deal records. This highlights the importance of accurately logging your meetings and associating them with the correct contacts and deals. If your data is messy or incomplete, your reports will be inaccurate, leading to flawed insights. Another important aspect to consider is the meeting tool itself. HubSpot's meeting tool allows you to schedule meetings directly from your CRM, streamlining the process and ensuring that the data is automatically logged. When you use the HubSpot meeting tool, the meeting data is seamlessly integrated into the contact and deal records, eliminating the need for manual entry. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of errors. Now, you might be thinking, what about workflows? That's a great question. Meeting data can also trigger workflows in HubSpot. For example, you could set up a workflow to automatically send a follow-up email after a meeting, or to update a contacts property based on the outcome of the meeting. This automation can significantly improve your efficiency and ensure that no leads slip through the cracks. The meeting data used to trigger these workflows resides within the same locations we've already discussed: the contact and deal records. Workflows simply act upon that data, automating tasks based on predefined rules. So, to recap, the primary locations for your HubSpot meeting data are contact records, the central hub for all interactions with a contact, including meetings. Deal records, meetings associated with specific deals, providing a comprehensive view of deal-related activities. Reporting tools, aggregated meeting data used for analysis and insights. Workflows, meeting data used to trigger automated actions. Understanding these locations is fundamental to effectively using HubSpot's meeting data. It empowers you to track your interactions, analyze your performance, and ultimately, drive better business outcomes. By mastering the location of your meeting data, you unlock the full potential of HubSpot's powerful platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.